ना जाने कैसा एहसास है, बुझती नहीं है क्या प्यास है, क्या नशा इस प्यार का मुझ पे सनम छाने लगा। कोई न जाने क्यों चैन खोता है, क्या करूं हाय कुछ कुछ होता है।
So I was this girl, okay, in my master's final year, giving my exams, all prepared to get married, had told my parents. And one day this guy enters the gym and I'm like, oh my God.
She always used to exit the gym and I used to enter. And she was the prettiest girl, or she is still the prettiest girl in the gym.
So we start talking and the point where we connected was the IPL match.
So during the IPL matches, she supports Kolkata Knight Riders and I was wearing a KKR jersey. So she was cycling and I was just standing behind her looking at the TV screen, and I was like, she asked me, are you a KKR supporter? So I was like, yes. So that was the first time, that we started talking, like hi, hello. So I used to always, try and come early, take the next treadmill to hers, जिस पे वो भाग रही है. अब मैं उतना नहीं भाग पाता था. मैं अभी भी उतना नहीं भाग पाता हूँ जितना वो भागती है. So जितनी वो थोड़ी देर करती थी, so you can imagine जितनी देर में उसका सिर्फ कार्डियो होता था, मैं उतनी देर में अपना वर्कआउट करके I used to be out.
From there we started talking, and I think within 2 weeks we clicked so much that somewhere inside I knew that he's going to be the one.
तुम पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए। अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है, क्या करूं हाय कुछ कुछ होता है, क्या करूं हाय कुछ कुछ होता है।
He can turn the gloomiest day to very, very romantic.
I don't know, I cannot express in words of, how or what I feel about her. But she's the only person who says, that I'm the best guy in the world. And that, for me is the thing which keeps me going and do stuff to, see that smile on her face.
He really, really makes sure that I'm always smiling. For him, the only thing that is important is the fact that, you keep smiling, things will be fine.